Hello guys, welcome to Science Solution. Here we provide project development and training with different domains. So our branch is in Nashik. Today's session is regarding on image morphing is a machine learning based application. That can identify fake images. So let me clear one what are real image. So you have any camera image, it means it's real image. If you are editing this image on Adobe, Paint, Photoshop, when you are doing any manipulation, then this considered fake image. So first have a look demo. So I loaded real image and they are checking metadata and showing result. So in data set real image is I'm checking metadata. Let's showing seems like real camera image, real fake. So I'm clicking this just click on this green page, then metadata is extracted. So here image width, height, make, model. I'm capturing this image in Samsung. So there are all this information are fetching. How this information is fetching? It's fetching from metadata extractor and have a look this image property in detail, lot of information. See camera maker, camera model, all this information available in detail, and this information is extracted in here through metadata extractor jar file. Okay, again we loaded any fake images. So here fake image, I'm loading this image new underscore and manipulate this image to Photoshop, and here see tampered with Adobe Photoshop Adobe Photoshop CS61 this error showing, and here in graph showing this image is fake 98.9% detected Adobe tag, detected Photoshop tag, that's why this image is fake, and here showing fake image confidence. Okay, so we will look means have a look algorithm about this project. We are started this project, load image, checking metadata through metadata extractor, metadata processor showing rank, and after that we are testing the image on AI and showing result. That's all. Means flowchart is dependent on algorithm. Start, read image, extracted metadata and showing rank and display result. After that, if we have to apply AI, then apply error level analysis, convert this image into 100 by 100 pixel array and test on neural network. So have a look. If we are clicking on this red circle, then sorry, this 100 by 100 pixel image are showing. This image all means are dotted format. (39K) size. Okay, so here we are looking neural network trainer, batch image tester, single image tester, full screen. Here neural network tester. So here we are choosing neural network in local disk D and project 2020 in this folder. Sorry, we have to select dataset in neural network MLPV 2.0. This file are selected, and I am selecting any image folder. So at here real, in this just two images. If you are if I take on more images, then this more load taking, that's why I am taking just two images. If we have to save this learn network, then we are save. If we have to choose another training window, then we will select. I am closing this. Yeah. After that, here batch image tester. Sorry. At here batch image tester, we have to select here neural network, real image source, fake image source. At here I am selecting neural network. real image source. After that, fake image source. We have to compare here. Comparing here. I'm here selecting fake. Select folder. Okay, start testing. At here showing output. Number of image proceed 2. Ambiguous correct detection 2. Total error mean square error. So here showing this output, number of image proceed 100% correct detection and so on. Okay, I'm closing this, also closing this, and at last single image tester. We have to select here neural network. We have to select here ELA applied image. Check. At here this image is fake, real 0.0 and fake 1.0. That's mean it's showing this error is fake. Okay, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our channel.